Hello friends, this is Paresh here. I am going to talk about Astro Vastu. I am introducing a Astro Vastu course on Zoom. It is a live course that will be running for 6 days, roughly around 2 hours every day. And this course will be carrying the information about what is astrology, the basic aspects of astrology, introducing you to KP astrology, how to read chart based on KP astrology, and how this astrology is linked to Vastu. So a small introduction of Vastu, about 8 directions, 16 zones, and how these 16 zones are related to the directions. So your 12 houses in a horoscope, how they are related to the 16 directions, how the planets are related, and how through remote view, without visiting your client's place or anyone's place, how just looking to that person's chart, you can talk about his place, you can talk about his office. So through that chart you will be able to see in which particular direction he has kept what, and because he is facing some issue, that particular things of a given particular planet, how they are playing a role, and they are giving that particular event which is positive or negative. And if it is negative, you will be trained, that you have to remove, you have to sift those articles of a particular planet. So all this will be in this Astro Vastu course. You will be learning to read the horoscope. We have different types of charts. We have the one basic Lagna chart, and there is a cusp or the Chalit chart. In this Chalit chart, what happens many times, the planets shift their houses. So what is that shifting means, and what does that movement of planet from one particular house to the neighboring house, what does that do? So all this we will learn in this Astro Vastu course. Along with that, we will learn the attributes about the houses, what are the different places, locations. So when we go into the remedial part, we activate a particular house by going to a particular place, particular location. Like for example, say if you have to introduce energies of Leo sign, so that Leo sign may be positive for you, then it says like you need to visit particular locations which are related to government, so a government building. So similarly, all the different houses have different locations and places through which, by visiting those places in a given week, once, twice, thrice, you can activate a positive house for you and get the remedy, get the solution for the issues that you are facing. Similarly, like you may be facing block payments, and how you can activate your particular house and you start getting the payments. Similarly, many people, there may be some blockage due for their marriage. So how you can activate? Of course, it has to be in your horoscope, it has to be no issues related to your past life karma. Then easily you can activate a particular direction, a particular location in your house, and also you can go to particular locations every time and you can activate your marriage. So all these things and many other such things related to our life, we can introduce, we can activate using these Astro Vastu concepts. Because in these concepts, along with Vastu, we are also checking about the individual person's horoscope, and based on that we do these activations or remove, shift particular items from particular directions. So all these things we are going to learn in this Astro Vastu course. This course initially it is for 6 days, and with an extension of 3 more days, I also will be introducing you the 45 energy fields and how you can energize, how you can activate these 45 energy fields. So this is an additional 3 days course, and in that I am also giving a bonus session on how to use AutoCAD drawings. Many of us, many of the Vastu consultants, they are not aware of how to use a AutoCAD drawing when you receive it from your clients, the soft copy. So a small introduction about, for some time, I will be introducing how to use AutoCAD, which is necessary of course from the Vastu point of view, how much that is necessary. So that also will be a bonus session, and I will be sending you these templates which are used, which you can directly lay out on your floor plans that you are receiving, and you can directly use those templates. So I will be giving this free these templates also as a bonus, free to all my participants who will be joining my course. So this total course is for 3 days plus the main 6 days, so total of 9 days. And in these 9 days you will be learning all about Astro Vastu. In this you will be learning about astrology, Vastu, and the linkage of Astro and Vastu, and how to activate, how to rectify, how to shift many products, the items, the objects that you are having in a given place which are creating the issue. So there are many different methods, systems which will be introduced to you in this Astro Vastu course. So friends, do join my online live session of Astro Vastu. There is a WhatsApp link that I can send to you if you contact me through my Facebook or through my YouTube, or through my mobile numbers. That if you have, my mobile number is 98693 52061. You can send me a hi and I can send you the link. Thank you friends.